Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Joliet, local and long distance movers near me. When moving over 100 miles, it's customary to worry about moving your belongings over that long distance. However, there are also other worries, such as how long it will take you to have your items delivered and the condition of your items when delivered. 3 Movers offers timely services. We deliver your items to your new home at the agreed time, and our professional movers are highly trained. They can handle your items with extreme care from the smallest to the biggest item. Our trucks have spacious compartments, and your belongings are carefully positioned in them. Our truck drivers are familiar with every state and federal highway regulation and follow them. As a result, your long distance move is in capable hands when you work with us. Short distance moves are also requiring adequate planning and professional execution. We take charge of your local move and achieve only satisfactory results. In a city like Joliet, hiring affordable and quality moving services can be challenging. Locals enjoy working with us because we deliver exceptional services at budget-friendly rates. We charge $30 to $40 per hour. Our short-distance moves are prompt and well-coordinated. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Joliet moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.